Hi everyone and welcome to Solar60. This week we're going to be talking about how we ensure quality for house builders. Now Eco2 Solar have grown quite rapidly and we install solar panels on lots and lots of different housing sites all across the mainland UK. So the quality kind of question we have this week is how do we ensure quality for house builders in the UK?
That's a really good question, something that's been given much consideration recently. When we first started, it was relatively easy to provide quality because I was very involved and my senior team were very involved with every installation, so we could train the guys, see what the guys have done, inspect jobs, all those kind of things. As you grow and there's lots and lots of work taking place and our operatives all over the UK installing literally thousands of solar panels every month, that's more difficult to control. And obviously, the lowest common denominator is for us is a team of people on site installing something. So we've had to put systems in place now to make certain that we're able to ensure the quality. There's sort of systems in place to ensure that we accredit the kit that we're going to be using. There's systems in place to do wind loadings and all that kind of structural stuff. But there's also systems in place to make sure people are trained on every piece of kit that they're using. We now have something in place where we are auditing a large proportion of the work that's done, including most of the work that's done on site now is actually given a desktop audit to make sure that we're happy with it, and we have a system in place that the installers use, that they have to go through a process and take pictures at each stage, so we can absolutely make certain that the quality that we use, that we have on site, is what we expect and what the or MCS and the manufacturer's guidelines would expect.
So what kind of formal kind of maintenance systems for quality have we been implementing?
Well, there's quite a few of those. A number have been using for a long time. So MCS, for example, is a quality standard. We've been working to that as the way we do things since 2008. We were, I think, the 12th company in the UK to get MCS accreditation. We also have a number of health and safety schemes. So we work with Safe Contractor and CHAS and SMAS and all those kind of systems that are necessary for different contractors, different developers and house builders. And we're also about 3/4 of the way through implementing ISO 9000, which obviously is an internationally recognised quality standard. There's actually been not just a good thing to do in terms of having that quality mark, but it's also identified lots and lots of improvements that we can make in terms of how we communicate, in terms of how we do version control, for example, and how we control work that's done in the office and out on site.
Well, thank you, Paul. Thank you all for listening. Obviously, as you all know, it's important to maintain quality in the construction workplace. So that's all we have time for this week. Thank you for tuning in.